All right, guys, welcome back one more time to Dragon Works here today. Back on the 1972 Honda CB350. You saw I did all that work to it. Rebuilt the carbs, new points. I had to put a cam seal in there where the ignition plate is, all that kind of stuff. New coils, set the valve, set the timing chain, the cam chain, things in that nature. And just been tuning on it a couple days, and then I had some other stuff I had to do and getting back to a video for you. So let's crank it up and then we'll do some test riding. It's already been warmed because I've been out riding it. It's a blast. She just purrs like a kitten. Wait till you see the ride. She screams, man. It's just, what a great little bike to ride. I just been having a blast on it. So I'm going to take you along here, get some little bit of video of riding it. Let me get you out of the tripod. All right, let's do this the right way now.